Let us consider the following equation, which one can meet at Math Olympiad. We will solve this equation using the following rule of thumb. As the first step, we will try to find an integer root using trial and error approach. So we take the simplest case, x equals 0, plug in to this equation. So on the left hand side we will have this. It is equal 1, and this is obviously not equal to 3. So x equals 0 is not a root. Then we take another integer, x equals 1. Again, plug in here. We have here 2 plus 1 equals 3. So x equals 1 is a root of this equation. As a next step, we will try to find how many solutions has the considered equation. First, we move x squared to the right hand side of this equation, so rewrite it in this form. Then we consider two functions. One represents the right hand side of the equation, and the second represents the left hand side of this equation. And we make a sketch of these two functions. First we consider 3 minus x squared. So first we plot x squared. So this is just a sketch. Then we consider negative x squared. So we flip this curve with respect to x-axis. And then we add 3. So we lift this curve up. And this is the plot of the right hand side. Then we add to this plot the standard curve for exponential function. This is 2 to power x. And we see that these two curves have 2 points of intersection. It means this equation has two roots. One we found, this is x equal 1, and the second is located between negative 1 and negative 2. So our goal is to find the second root, or just estimate it if we cannot find it exactly. How to do this? We will consider this equation in this form. We take x-axis. The root is between negative 1 and negative 2, so we take at the middle the number corresponding to the middle of this part, x equal negative 1.5, plug in this equation, calculate the left hand side. If your calculator doesn't have function x to power y, you can use this presentation for this exponential function. So we calculate and we have negative 0.4. So the left hand side is negative, somewhere here. Next we take the number between negative 1.5 and negative 2. It is just a trial. We take negative 1.8, again plug into the left hand side, calculate, and we have positive value. So it is here. So the solution is between these 2 points. We select negative 1.65. Again, calculate the left hand side. It is this value, very small, close to 0. Actually, we can consider this process further, and we can find the root with any desirable precision. But we will stop at this point. And we have second root approximately equal negative 1.65. And finally, we have two roots for equation which we are considering. If you like this video, you may want to hit like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for the channel.